Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is new criminal laws. Three new criminal laws, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, came into effect across the country on 1st July 2024. The three new laws replaced the British-era Indian Penal Code, the Code of Criminal Procedure, and the Indian Evidence Act. The new criminal laws will bring in a modern justice system incorporating provisions such as Zero FIR, online registration of police complaints, summonses through electronic modes such as SMS, etc. Faster justice delivery with judgments required within 45 days of trial completion and charges framed within 60 days of first hearing. Now let's discuss about the new criminal laws. The bills were passed by the Parliament during the winter session last year and received President's assent on 25th December 2023. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita replaced the Indian Penal Code 1860 and introduced new crimes like mob lynching, organized crime, and community service as new types of punishment. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam replaced the Indian Evidence Act 1872 and it permitted the electronic provision of oral evidence, enabling witnesses, accused individuals, and victims to testify through electronic means. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita replaced the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. It alters rules for under trials, restricting the release of accused in severe offences. It also broadens the scope of medical examinations, allowing any police officer, not just a sub-inspector, to request one. The CRPC organizes India's criminal courts hierarchy from magistrates' courts to the Supreme Court. It previously allowed cities with over 1 million people to have metropolitan magistrates, but the new law eliminates this distinction and the role of metropolitan magistrates. Zero FIR, allowing people to file an FIR at any police station regardless of jurisdiction to eliminate delays in initiating. Now is the time for practice question. On which date three new criminal laws, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam come into effect across the country? 1st July 2024, 1st June 2024, 30th June 2024, or 31st July 2024? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।